welcome you all. A very good evening to you.
Hello.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, you are. Yes.
Laila ma'am, just give us the signal and Amandeep ma'am will start.
Yeah, how she can start now itself, ma'am. It's already 7.
Yes.
All right. So a very warm welcome to all the educators around the globe. A very happy Women's Day to all of you, to all the pretty ladies out there. So this day has become more empowered and exuberant with your glorious presence. I, Amandeep Kaur, Director Principal, Saint Soldier Elite Convent School, Chivinda Devi, and Secretary to IDYM Foundation, welcome you all on behalf of the founders and the President of the Foundation. A woman is no less than a man. We all are the living examples of empowered women. And it is our sole duty to weave and carve such examples so that our future generations become proud and we give them the threads of hopes, which are long chains of dreams to achieve. A balance between feminine and masculine, where men and women can work and create a gentle economy for our country. So without much ado, let us start with today's wonderful speakers to whom we are eager to hear. So first, happy Women's Day once again. So I invite Dr. Nyara Radwan. She is the first speaker of the day. She's a very dynamic personality, working as a professor in mechanical department in Suez Canal University, Egypt. She's a board member in various international journals. She's a reviewer of countless journals. She's a keynote speaker in many offline and online workshops. And now I invite her to just start her discussion with the topic of today.
Amandeep ma'am, I think before we start the talks by our erudite speakers, we
Priti ma'am,
invite Khushi Pandhari Nath to for the welcome song, for the lighting of the lamp.
The lighting of the lamp.
Is Khushi there?
The lighting of the lamp has been done.
So Khushi Padrinath is here. Khushi Patil.
Khushi Patil is not there, but we are sharing the video. So the sharing of the video has to be done. The hosting has to give me the hosting part of it.
Okay. So give Khushi Patil a big hand for her welcome song. So let us start the event with the welcome song by Khushi Patil.
Welcome song.
Screen sharing, how will I do? Ma'am, the screen sharing has to be done. All come here.
You can share the screen.
Lọ́ fẹ́ mọ̀ pé mo wà lórí Zoom o.
Share the screen now.
So we are going to hear Khushi Patil welcome song.
Hi.
Jacqueline, ma'am.
Yeah, visible, yes. So the lamp lightning by Khushi Patil, a very beautiful girl. But the voice is not audible, I think. Is the
Yeah.
voice audible?
No, voice is not audible.
It has to share the sound as well while sharing her screen. Oh.
Now sorry.
Oh, so sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Well done.
Fantastic dance by Khushi Patil. I think everybody enjoyed the video.
Yes.
It's
So
always
Amandeep,
useful.
ma'am, Amandeep,
Yes.
ma'am, I think
Yes,
we would
yes,
like
ma'am.
to hear a little bit about IDYM. So the best person to talk about it and give us an insight would be Dr. Jacqueline. So I take the privilege to invite Dr. Jacqueline to give us a little brief and insight into the fantastic work being done by IDYMF. Dr. Jacqueline.
Sure, ma'am.
Good evening. Respected chief guests of our honors, members of IDYFM, organizers and visitors. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for this event of International Women's Day. As the organization works for the development of women on various parts of our country. IDYFM means Igniting Dreams of Young Minds Foundation was launched under the leadership of Mr. Ravi Shankar and all the great young scientists. It's my great privilege to be a part of this foundation. IDYM Foundation conducts workshops on satellites, deliver lectures on space functions with support of professionals, ITNs and educators. Empower the young minds to unmask and uncover the latest potentials. Enhance the power of imagination and prepares the students to be ready to serve the country for achieving the goal of self-reliant India. positive attitude and events. Innate teachings of young minds
Please kindly mute the mic. I request to kindly mute the mic. Let us hear Dr. Jacqueline.
ignites the dream of young minds for an active and fulfilling life. Igniting Dreams of Young Mind Foundation is a platform to promote space and satellite education for every young mind, for the entire student community, and for the school and college around the world. Igniting Dreams of Young Minds, and it is on progressive path to reach out to mankind as an early as possible with the future aim to build a space school in India. Project with IDYFM is Center of Educating Minds, Science Innovative Sectors, Women Empowerment Scheme, providing urban amenities to rural areas, Solar Mission Project. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jacqueline. It's really nice to hear the efforts put by the IDYM. No doubt, IDYM is laying the foundation for the new generation to think and to ignite the dreams of satellite. And one day, definitely, many of our students will be joining together for new satellite missions, hopefully. So now, proceeding with the next program, Dr. Niara Radwan. So, in your chosen career. So I request Dr. Niara to please proceed.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank all the organizing members who do a lot of efforts to arrange for the women. Thank you very much. Also, I would like to thank you. Also, I would like to thank you all for being here today. Please let me introduce myself. I'm Niara Radwan. I'm Egyptian, and I'm working as a faculty member in the Mechanical Department, Faculty of Engineering, Egypt. I'm also a faculty member and the Quality Assurance Officer for the PhD program in King Abdulaziz University in Saudi Arabia. I'm here today to talk about gender challenge which I have faced in my choosing career. Actually, I see that all women all over the world are facing the same challenges. So we should study these challenges and see different examples for successful women who could exceed these challenges. Today, we present the most 4 challenges which facing women in her career. Then I will discuss how I could deal with these challenges. The first challenge is that women have difficulty obtaining postgraduate studies. Furthermore, the men maintained that starting MPE studies is a priority for them in order to reach higher professional and financial goals in the future. At the same time, lower number the lower number of women with doctorates in comparison with the number of men with doctorates demonstrates the fact that the greater time investment required by these studies means lower possibilities for women to start and finish them. Moreover, the income disparity between genders can cause young families to prioritize the men's career advancement over the women's because he will have greater growth prospects financially. For me, while studying for my PhD degree, I was the only woman within 10 men colleagues. You know, this was my first challenge. Excuse me, can all mute the device, please? Please, can all mute the voice?
Yes, please, participants, kindly mute yourself. Raja Ramande, please kindly mute your mic. I request, please kindly listen to the speaker and mute your mics.
The host can mute everyone. The host can write